Yes, guys. Welcome to another edition of Daily Crypto with Paul. And today I want you to do me a favor. Don't miss the news. Don't miss the news. Don't miss the chat. And I'll try to be very, very brief also. So without wasting much time, let's dive in. Let's go to the news. Let's go to the chat. Let's see what is going on. All right, guys. So as usual, we start with CoinDesk, and of course, very interesting. Shift DAOs and the future of work. Okay, so basically, Shift is an exchange, and they recently claimed and say that they have now become a decentralized autonomous organization, which is what we call DAO. Okay, meaning all the things on their exchange are totally decentralized. There is no CEO, nobody's in charge of, of Shift. And of course, it's a very, very wise move coupled with what the government is trying to do for on cryptocurrencies and exchanges. Shift have now gone totally decentralized. So there's nobody the government can hold, there's nothing the government can do. A very, very smart one. Binance already has their own decentralized exchange, but of course, they have a lot of reasons why they are still centralized because a lot of people find it a little tough for now to swallow what decentralized autonomous organizations are. But Shift has gone decentralized, and a lot of other people will go decentralized fully, and then basically the government cannot really do anything on taxing. Although the government will definitely want to find another way to go around it. Interesting one, Facebook, according to Facebook, Novi's digital wallet is ready to come to market. I mean, Novi's is one of those strong guys in Facebook, and this guy is condemning the currencies we have now, the fiat currencies, and he's saying Facebook has provided a kind of crazy solution to all of that. And I remember yesterday, I don't know if we talked about the metaverse thing. Okay, maybe when I get there, I will talk about it. So he said Facebook has solved that problem now, and Facebook is working on bringing their digital currency into play. So if you are not doing anything digital now, I'm telling you, you are missing out. Central banks are going digital. Facebook is going digital also. This is innovation. This is technology. Learn to embrace it. Learn to embrace it. All right. So we have a lot of other things here, but I think that's the major one. Then let's go over to Cointelegraph and see what's happening. Okay, Cointelegraph says that Ethereum liquidity crisis could see new ETH all-time high before Bitcoin. Of course, you know what happened with Ethereum, the EIP 1559 burning Ethereum. I mean, a lot of Ethereum are being destroyed daily using EIP 1559. This is squeezing the supply of Ethereum, and if supply is low and demand is high, I mean, you can imagine what's going to happen. The price is going to go up. So these guys are saying perhaps Ethereum will go higher than Bitcoin. Of course, this is their own analysis, so we have to do our own also. Then I think these are the major thing. Of course, someone said Bitcoin will remind everyone who is king. For now, Bitcoin is still king of the market. Okay, Bitcoin is still king of the market for now. Okay, from Bitcoin.com news, of course, the government is doing a lot of things around SRP, and let's see. Is there any interesting news? Okay, there's really nothing so interesting from Bitcoin.com. From the Daily Odo, the Daily Odo is yes, interested one. It says Dogecoin, Solana, and Shiba, Shiba have very, very great potential. Of course, I've been talking about Doge, but most importantly, I'm talking about Solana. I've increased my portfolio for Solana today because really Solana has broken structure. Solana looks so good right now. It looks so good right now, and Solana has been able to decouple from Bitcoin. Even if Bitcoin goes down, Solana is in fact going up. So it's very, very crazy, and I really got into Solana because Solana is powering audio. Remember, and audio has partnered with TikTok, the common video display platform. So it's a very amazing technology they've solved a very great problem for the world, and this is amazing what Solana is doing. Solana solves about 50,000 transactions in a second. It's the fastest blockchain technology currently, and these guys are doing a great job. Then they also talk about Doge and Sheep, and they really give their analysis. Okay, perhaps we might look at that tomorrow, not today, because I'm trying to be very, very brief. Then from crypto.com, basically they said the cryptocurrency adoption has jumped over 2,300% in 2 years based on chain data. Okay, super amazing because a lot of people are doing a lot of things. And when all central banks begin to come in, because Nigeria is launching their own, I think a lot of companies are really trying to do their own. South Africa is doing, a lot of countries are doing things on blockchain soon. Then this adoption is going to skyrocket. Okay, it's going to skyrocket. So I think that's it for the news today. So without wasting much time, let's go to the Bitcoin chart and let's see what Bitcoin is doing. Yes, guys. Welcome to the Bitcoin chart. And you can see quite interesting what the Bitcoin is doing. really not looking bad. Like we said, we didn't break below the 44k region, and so I mean, thanks to God for that, we still held above 44k, so we didn't break below. We are still just there, and there's no clear sign that we're going up. Also, the bias is still more to the downside, and if we break 44k down, we will be going to the 38k to 41k region. Between that region and anything below that region, we are really going for a downtrend, kind of, at least in the short term. So, but really looking at it, this guy really has a very, very good chance of going up. I mean, if you look at it, look at this volume that came up here. But remember, before we went so deep, I mean, let me take it to a daily time frame. Sorry, so you don't get too excited. Remember this time around also when we're having this dip, we were almost coming down from here to here. Look at what I'm tapping from here to here, and we did as if we were really gonna go up, only to get rolled over down. Okay, so when I see things like this, of course we've not seen any change, any major break in structure. So we have this, we might as well just move up a little and then go back to some places and then roll down eventually. So it's not really to get excited that you this guy is going up, you begin to put in your life savings in this. Okay, so this guy is just consolidating, but really in the long term, in the long mid term, bias is to the upside. In the very short term, bias is to the downside. So you really want to be very, very careful on your moves on this. So what should you do again? Just fold your hands and watch. Fold your hands and watch. I'm really tempted to go to look at Solana, but I really want to be very, very brave today. Okay. But remember, we called Solana yesterday. We called Terra Luna. We called Audio, and these guys have really done well. And I really spotted another one, Avalanche, Avax. Okay, AVAX also, they are solving a lot of problem, making lives of people better using technology and intelligence, and this is super, super amazing. So these guys are doing a good job, and basically I think that's it. So please and please don't get wrecked. Be careful in investing in this stuff. If you have already, fold your hands. It's not time to sell. A lot of coins are looking good. Now Doge is looking good. Many coins are really looking good, but the Bitcoin is really going to determine. Don't put in your life savings, and also don't start panicking and start selling off. Just fold your hands and watch how things will play out. So guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much. God bless you and see you tomorrow. Bye bye. Everyone. All right, so that's it for today. Thank you so much, and see you tomorrow. Okay, and a very, very beautiful announcement is this. We were looking at it. A lot of people are finding it challenging to get tokens. Okay, they have to go through the fear of having to go to an exchange and meet someone they do not know, and it looks so risky. So we are really working on some ways to solve that problem, and we really hope to show you by Saturday. So by Saturday, get connected to see what we have. Thank you, and don't get wrecked. Bye bye.